Hello guys, good morning. This is Suhail Khalik Pinzar. Today's date is 4th of April 2022. Today I am discuss on the topic static and instance variable, static and instance method, static and instance block. So let's start. So first of all we see static and instance variable. Static and instance variable. Difference between static and instance variable. Static variable is created in a class but outside in a outside of the method, and instance variable is created in a method as well as created in a class. So static instance variable is applicable to achieve in a class from anywhere in a class, but static variable does not allow, because static variable calls because for a static variable, calling a static variable, there is a object of this static variable are present, and it is only called in a object class objects. So this is a main difference in static variable and instance variable. Second one is a static method and instance method. Static method and instance method. Difference in a static method and instance method. Static method is created in a class with a static keyword, and instance method does not need to any keyword for creating the method. So static method is static method. So difference is here is only name keyword difference, and static method and instance method is only called by static method needs object to call this particular method, but instance method does not need to object to call. And second one, last one is a static block and instance block. In a static block and instance block, the main difference is in a static block and instance block. First one is a static block need keyword, and instance block does not need any keyword. Second one is a static block execution of static block is executed on a time when object created, and instance block execution of instance block when .java file stored in JVM, and that time instance block is executed. The third one is a static block needs object to call, and instance block does not need any object. So there are three difference between a static block and instance block. So this is all about static variable, instance variable, static block, static block, instance block, and static method or instance method. So okay, thank you.